guys, what it do? What is up? Sorry guys, I'm just trying new introduction. So you guys remember my brother? Tell him your name.
Alec.
Guys, remember my brother? He not making slime. He just like helping me.
Yes, I am making slime.
Get my ingredients, like get my tools and stuff. But today I'm gonna be making slime. Isaac, isn't that right, buddy?
Yes.
And right now I'm gonna be making slime with hand sanitizer. This is Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer, called Champagne Sparkle. Can you see it? I don't know if you can.
It got the Paris. It got the Paris thingy.
Yeah.
It came from Paris.
They can see it.
The picture is Paris.
It's like that. That's what I'm gonna be using. But the tools that you will need is a little bowl or flat plate like this. I'm using this.
Or something to mix it up.
A mixing utensil. I'm using this knife, and of course hand sanitizer. So, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this. Hope this works. By the way, guys, I saw this on a little thing. I mean, somebody's channel, on this girl channel.
Biggie.
All right. Okay. And she mixed hers up, so that's what I'm just gonna do with mine. See that? And it say put it in the freezer for 2 hours.
2 or 1 hour.
See, 2 or 1 hour, but she put hers in there for 2 hours.
We're gonna put hours in there for 1 hour.
I'm gonna put mine in there for 2 because I want mine to turn out like hers did, and I don't want it to be all messed up and stuff. You feel me? I'm gonna add a little more hand sanitizer. It smells good, by the way. It smells very good. There you go. Can you put that away?
This chain was at the tip right there, and now it's gone.
I hope this worked. This better work since.
Look at all this she just used.
It was hot though. I did use a lot. This is how you're gonna mix it. I mixed it, and now I'm about to go put it in the freezer for 2 hours. So I'm gonna set my timer for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna check in with you guys to see if it's slime. Mine says this has glitter in it, so it turns out right. See? Put it in the freezer right now for
2 hours. So we will see you. When
after the 2 hours are
over. See you guys.
See you when the 2 hours are over. Sorry guys, I just realized something. The thing is this, the camera is gonna mess up our video. So I'll just make like a part 2, and make sure you stay tuned. It'll come right after this. It'll just be a part 2, okay? So stay tuned to see after the 2 hours go. Right now it's in the freezer. See you guys. Let me show you guys. The camera might fog up, it might not. Okay, can you guys see it? It's right there. It's down there. If you guys can see my finger, you'll see that I'm pointing at it. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's in the freezer.
Wow.
That's all you got to know. Well, bye. See you guys. Part 2.
You can't even see, bruh.